Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching this video today. It is me, Mr. Wu. I created this video hopefully to clear up some questions and misconceptions about how to find um, the patterns within the number line or a hunter's chart or whatever you want to call it. This is the thing that we've been working on since yesterday. And right here, I wrote down a question. It says, how many thousands are in the number 400,000? Okay? Now, I know that there's been some questions about how we do this, and I just want guys to walk you through a step-by-step process of how we complete this, and hopefully this will help clarify some questions for us. Okay? Alright. So the first thing is, I wrote a little sticky note right here. Here's step one. Read and understand the question. So here's the question, guys. I want to know how many thousands are in the number 400,000. How many thousands? What's the question asked? How many thousands? Okay. Question number, step two is write down what you multiply by. Write down what you multiply by. Okay, and here's what I mean by that. Okay, because I'm looking for how many thousands. What am I going to multiply by? I'm going to multiply by thousands over here. Okay, here, let me write this down. 1,000. That's what I'm going to multiply by. Why am I going to multiply by thousands? Because I'm looking for how many thousands. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? How many thousands? That's what I'm going to multiply by thousands. Okay. This third step is this. Okay, sorry about that. This third step is find the first digit, multiply it to see the answer. Okay? So if I'm looking at my number 400,000, what's the first digit? The first digit is a 4. So I'm going to take 4 times 1,000. Do you guys understand where I got that 4? Isn't that the first digit in 400,000? Okay? So that's what I mean down here when it says find the first digit and multiply it to see the answer. There's the first digit. There's 400,000. There's a digit 4. Okay? So to find out the answer, I write it down. 4. How many zeros behind it? 1, 2, 3. That gives me 4,000. Does that give me the answer? Nope, it doesn't give me the answer. So here's step 4. If it doesn't give me answer, if it doesn't work, go back, add the next digit, and multiply again. Okay? So let me go back over here. What's the next digit? The next digit is a 0. So I'm going to do 40, right? Because I have my 4, I add the next digit. What's that next digit? A 0. So 40 times 1,000. I'm going to write down 40, add my 3 zeros. What's my answer? 40,000. Do I have 400,000 yet? No, I don't. So what do? Go back up here, find the next digit. It's another 0. So 4, 0, 0, 400 times 1,000. Okay? Write down 400. How many zeros do I add? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Does that give me 400,000? Yes, it does. 400 times 1,000 is equal to 400,000. What that means is that there are 400 1,000s. If you want to think about these in crates, remember crates are 1,000, right? That means there are 400 crates. There's 400 of these crates, and that is equal to 400,000s. So how many thousands are in 400,000? Well, guess what? There's 400 of them. Okay? That's how you complete that problem. Now let's look at one more example. Okay? The number is 700,000. How many hundreds are in 700,000? What am I looking for? I'm looking for how many hundreds. That's what I'm going to multiply by. So I'm going to multiply by 100. Start my first digit. What's my first digit? First digit is a 7. 7 times 100 is, put down my 7. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 700. Is that my answer? Nope. Okay, repeat the process. Multiply by 100 because I'm looking for how many hundreds. Okay, there's a 7. I added the next digit. Next digit is a 0. So it's 7 with a 0 at the end. It makes 70. What's 70 times 100? So I go 70, 100. How many zeros do I add at the end of it? 2 zeros. Okay, that gives me 7,000. I'm getting closer. I still know my answer. Okay, so I added that digit, that digit. Now I need to go ahead and add another digit. Let's try 700. 700 multiplied by what? 100. Okay, so I write down 700. How many zeros do I add to the end of it? 2. Okay, 70,000. Getting closer. Still not the answer. Repeat the process. Add the next digit, another 0. Now I'm at 7,000 times 100. Okay, so I write down 7,000. Add my 2 zeros with 100. Okay, let me rewrite that. Okay, what does that give me, ladies and gentlemen? That gives me 700,000. Is that my answer up here? Is that what I'm looking for? Yes, it is. Okay. So that means that 7,000 times 100 is equal to 700,000. That means there's 7,100s. If you want to think of these in terms of boxes, how many boxes are there in 700,000? There's 7,000 boxes. Okay. So the original question, how many hundreds are in 700,000? Well, guess what? There's 7,000 hundreds. There's 7,000 hundreds in 700,000. I know that it's a lot of words and it's really confusing. If you guys follow the steps, you guys will be able to find the answer. Okay? I hope that this makes it less confusing. Go ahead and come see me and get your paper after this video is over. And you still have questions, come see me, and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Goodbye and good luck.